water pollution continue. The second cause of the water pollution is the industrial effluent. The largest industrial effluent. The biggest contributor of the atmospheric pollution is the waste product of the industries or industrial effluent. The industrial waste change the physiochemical nature of water. The industrial waste are the PB, HG, FE, ZN, etc. oil. At many places, petroleum is extracted during the unloading. The tankers are washed near the port and the seashore. Oil is spreading on the surface of the water, prevent oxygenation. It depletes the quality of the oxygen present in water. Next one is the pesticides and the weedicides. The chemical which is used to kill the pest is known as the pesticides, and the examples are the DDT, BSC. The second one is the chemical which kill the insect, which kill the herbs, is known as the herbicide. There is example, that is the NAA and 2,4-D, 2,4-5-T. Also, the increasing use of the pesticides and the weedicide carried by the rainwater into lake, pond, etc., river, pond, etc. About the oil spills, it accidental discharge of the petroleum in ocean, estuaries and rivers. The main source are the offshore exploration, well, oil refineries, etc. Then the radioactive elements of nuclear explosion. The serious and the most dangerous atmospheric pollution is caused by the nuclear explosion. The nuclear explosion contains the various radioactive elements, such as the iodine, strontium, carbon, cadmium, uranium, etc. In spite of these elements, radioactive elements contain the neutron, proton, electron, alpha ray, beta ray, etc. All these substances causes serious problem to human being as well as the plant. The effect of the atom bomb on the 6th and the 8th August 1945 in Nagasaki and Hiroshima are still visible, and thousands of people were died. In 2011, Japan, Fukushima nuclear reactor meltdown and accidental leakage occurs. The most serious problem of the nuclear explosion causes cancer, etc. The problem of the water pollution, here is the various problem right from the 1 to 6. Sewage causes the different type of the disease. Fluorosis, selenium causes the shedding of the hairs and the nail. Lead causes the anemia, kidney trouble. Petroleum waste causes the paralysis, etc. Pesticide, weedicide and fertilizer causes the disease, nervous disorder, etc. Radioactive element causes the cancer and the abnormal organ development. Control of the water pollution, these are the control of the water pollution. Here is written the accidental act, environmental act, insecticidal act was established in 1968. Here the question, these are the important part of the objective question. Here what is the Minamata disease? The release of the mercury in water causes the Minamata disease in the marine fishes. What do you mean by the DOT and COD? The biological oxygen demand and COD, chemical oxygen demand. What is eutrophication? Phosphorus and nitrate found in water, in fertilizer, and destroy the major are the regarded as the major pollutant in most of the water surface. Phosphorus and nitrate dissolve in water as nutrient and accelerate the growth of the algae. The algal growth is from the bloom and water surface. This increases the productivity, is known as the eutrophication. The bloom prevent the light absorption to the submerged plant, and the dead of the submerged plant consume oxygen in decomposition. Now the water is unfit for the submerged aquatic organism. Thank you.